Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Tasneem. I am fourth year student of Department of Teaching English, and now I am responsible for female president of Student Union Fatani University. For this open house ceremony, which will organize by Faculty of Education on this Saturday, September 26th, I would say that I'm really excited, and I think everyone are waiting for, because it is like 10 years anniversary of our Faculty of Education, and it will be the big EDU Open House, and also the best EDU Open House ever. Of course, I would like to invite all of you and everyone to come here, especially for EDU students, even who were graduated or still studying here. This is a good chance for you to come and enjoy in this ceremony, because there are lots of activity and lots of shows, such as the performance of every department, talk show, food competition, poesy speech, and full of fun and gift on this Saturday. Finally, I hope to see you soon on this Saturday. See you, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.